Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Checking your VW Tiguan AdBlue level is a simple task that ensures your diesel engine runs cleanly. AdBlue is a fluid used to reduce harmful emissions. If it runs out, your car will not start. To check the level, first sit in the driver's seat. Put your key in the ignition and turn it to the on position. Do not start the engine. Look at the digital display between your gauges. Use the arrow buttons on the right side of your steering wheel. Scroll through the menus until you find driving data. Press the OK button to select it. Now, use the up or down arrows to look for the AdBlue range option. This screen shows you how many miles you can drive before you need a refill. It will also tell you the minimum and maximum amount of fluid to add. If the range is low, you must top it off soon. The fill port is located right next to your fuel cap. Open the fuel door to find the blue cap. Unscrew it and pour in the fresh fluid. Make sure to use the correct grade of AdBlue for your vehicle. Keep an eye on this level during long trips. Your car will also give you a warning light when the level gets low. Usually, this happens when you have about 1,500 miles left. Monitoring this level prevents unexpected stops and keeps your Tiguan on the road. It only takes a minute to check. You can now drive with peace of mind knowing your emissions system is ready for the road ahead.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.